Kampai means?
Kampai is cheers.
Cheers. Okay. So I want to say it when
We found a traditional Japanese restaurant. If I show you this way, this. It's like a bar, but a restaurant with food, and it's located here across the street from 7-Eleven. Kampai. One. For a friendly atmosphere and friendly folks, if you speak Japanese or use your phone to translate, please come and visit Cafe Rest. This place was wonderful.
so wonderful.
The people there are great, and if you like baseball, they watch baseball here. It's a sports bar. You can see they keep baseball here, the baseball parts, and many of the people that visit have children that play professional baseball. Our last night in Japan, now we're going to get on the C train and go back to the hotel.
After we buy water from 7-Eleven.
Yeah, we have to go to 7-Eleven. They're everywhere. We flew on that airplane right here. That's an A321. Now we're on a bus. Just wait for it. That is the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, inspiration of Japan, that we flew home from Haneda to Sea-Tac. It's a balmy, rainy, cloudy day here. That's the end of the trip. I flew on that same aircraft back in 2010 to Tokyo, incredibly.